This is one of my favorite ways to cook on my Blackstone flat top grill. As you can see, I've got everything already, my mise en place already done. Today's menu, we have bacon wrapped pork sirloin. I'm going to do steamed vegetable mixture on the grill as well to go in some pasta salad. I've already got my season set up. What I need, my sea salt, ground black pepper. Today, we are going to have bacon wrapped pork sirloin steaks. And I've got a vegetable mixture already cut up here to go in some pasta salad my husband's reheating from the Olive Garden. I'm just souping it up. I've got my olive oil and some clarified butter I'd made, and then my salt and pepper. Over here, I have a bourbon-based barbecue sauce that I've made. And I will brush that on the chops here in just a little bit. Then I've got my other part of my station set up. And my music area. Alright, here we go. Let's lay something. My grill is at its smoking point. If you can see the smoke rising from the grill. I don't have one of the fancy infrared things to tell how hot it is, but that tells me it's pretty warm. So I'm going to go ahead and lay these down. Oh yeah. Yeah, I ran out of bacon. Put that back under. I've already seasoned them with salt and pepper. And then my daughter has to be difficult, so she don't eat any bacon. Okay, when we come back, I will flip them over and add some sauce. Okay, we have flipped a pork. I'm going to let the other side sear for a little bit. And put just a little bit more sauce on here. And you just want to barely dab it. Kind of five rolls. Yeah, just pat it. Just let it know you love it. There we go. Now, this butter I've made is a clarified butter. Now, with olive oil and garlic and onions. And put it on there. This side of my grill is turned down a little bit more than this side. Okay, I've got my temperature set to kind of keep my griddle the way I want it. We've got these still going. Now I've added some of this clarified butter I made that was infused with garlic and onion. And I'm going to pour my vegetable mixture. It's really funny. Oh yeah. And pretty much. Okay. Trying to hold the camera and cook at the same time is proving to be a little bit more difficult than I expected. Over here on our vegetables, got carrots, radishes, red onions, corn. You know, you can use whatever you want or whatever you got around the house. These cases are leftovers. And just try and get a decent char from the grill. And then I'm going to turn them over. Start making hash browns in a way. So let's work some of this yumminess on it. My food blog will soon have instructions on how to make your own butter like that. And it looks good. Oh yeah. It's looking good. I have one of those fancy probe thermometers. I probably should be using that now. It sounds good, doesn't it? Kind of clean my grill as it goes. Makes it so much easier. And now we got that, just grab some more sauce. Pat it, just dab it. Fresh them down the side. We're getting towards the end here. Now we're going to have to flip it over on its side here at the cooking time. Twist to make sure. I'm about done with that sauce. Let me see. How are these doing? Alright. The corn feels good and getting tender. Now, I'm going to kind of rake them up in a little pile. That way they'll fit underneath my lid here. Uh-oh. Some of that didn't fit. Well, I can't do this one-handed, so I'll clean it up and I'll come back to it. Okay, I have steamed the vegetables, and I'm going to go ahead and get them off the grill. They look nice and tender, and some of them really develop some char on that. Okay, so I have flipped them over, and you see the nice darkness that it's got on that side, the crust it's got on that side of the bacon. I can see it sizzle. I decided to use my probe. Ignore the darkness on this one. That one's mine. And I've got my temperature reading set for 145. It's almost there. In just a few moments, we'll take it in there, let it rest about 10 minutes. It's very important so all the juices can lock in and stay good. And we'll cut into it, and we'll just see what a delicious dinner we cook.